Introduce yourself.
My name is Emelia. My animal is Jeanette, and my continent is Africa. Jeanettes have retractable claws to help them climb trees. Jeanettes are 16 to 22 inches long and 3 to 5.5 pounds. Jeanettes eat retractable rodents, bats, eggs, frogs, and fruits.
Look, my fruit.
Jeanettes live 8 years in the wild and 13 years in captivity. Jeanettes sleep most of the day and are awake at night.
You have beautiful pictures of the Jeanette. So Jeanettes, are they big cats or little cats?
Little cats.
Yeah, they're little cats. They are about this,
Oh my God.
about this big,
Oh my God.
and they only weigh 3 to 5 pounds. So they're like a house cat. They look like a house, about the size of a house cat. And look at the beautiful coloring.
That was a baby.
Tell us about your pictures. They're beautiful animals.
This is a picture of Jeanette out in the wild. This is a picture of a Jeanette up in a tree, and that's a picture of a Jeanette in a cage.
What do you notice about the tail and the body? Tell us a little bit about that.
She's falling off.
Yeah.
I
I'll
think
just hold
Tell us about the body and the tail and how it's different.
The body and the tail is different because the tail has stripes and the body does not.
Did we have another animal that had that?
cheetah.
What was it?
Cheetah.
It was the cheetah, wasn't it? Very cool. This is a beautiful poster. Does anybody have any questions for Emelia?
Eddie.
I forgot how long they were.
Remind us how long they are.
They are
16.
22
Inches.
inches. General.
Do they know how to swim?
No. Luca.
What's their prey?
I don't know
Oh,
that.
their prey. They probably have quite a lot of prey because they're so tiny. They're probably pretty fast.
But the smaller the animal, the faster it may be.
Yeah, it is. They are fast. And did you say that they sleep during the day and are awake at night? And what kind of animal, Emelia, is that?
A Jeanette.
It's a Jeanette, and it's called a nocturnal. That's right.
Reese.
Do you know how long their tail is?
I'll have to figure that out.
Looks pretty long, though, doesn't it?
Looks like it's almost as long as their body, or maybe even
Yeah.
longer.
Riley.
Did you color that one?
That?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, that's beautiful. I love how
Noah.
you highlighted everything.
How fast can they run?
I do not know.
It's a good question. They're pretty fast, I
But they're
bet.
pretty fast, yeah.
All right, let's give Emelia a hand.